Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I'm Quintasia, and today we're going to be doing mini twist over my starter locks. Like I told you guys before, this is just a new journey with my new locks, and I'm definitely more exploring protective styles over my locks, and I'm here to give you guys a tutorial. So all the products I'm using will be linked down below. For starters, a lot of people ask me what hair I'm using on my TikTok. I'm using expression hair, 26 inches, and I cut it in half to get this length. Also, I'm using edge booster. I don't prefer it over anything else. I just couldn't find my lock-in gel. That's actually what I prefer, but they both do the same job. Alright, so how I pretty much start the twist is I clean up my hair and I use the edge booster to retwist my hair. I clean up the parts as best as I can, but my parts aren't straight and I'm not too pressed about it. I use my hair as the third piece and I braid the beginning of the twist, probably from about 4 to 7 times. It ranges from there, but I feel like the best is in the middle, so I would say do it 5 times. After that, I will tuck my hair into either side of the twist, and then I start twisting to the left. And I know I told you guys before, make sure your right hand is on top. See, this is kind of a perfect demonstration, not necessarily on top, but like kind of on top of, if that makes sense. Alright y'all, so I rewatched like a few TikToks because I remember there was this big controversy, twisting right versus left, and this is what twisting right looks like, this is what twisting left. They're both cute, but I feel like twisting to the right is just like a juicier result, like it just looks better. So yeah, I just have to stop and tell y'all, twist to the right. Just twist it right, because now I redid this one, but now I gotta redo these. And I knew they was looking a little boneless. Like, I knew they were looking boneless. I'm like, yo. But anyway, keep watching. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Hold me on my mind, fears my lemon. I'm here to give y'all a tip, because once I learned this tip, to be honest, my hair went way faster, but I learned it so late. So I'm here to tell you guys what I did. So pretty much, I'm telling you guys to twist to the left. But sometimes when you get at a certain part of your head, it's kind of hard to like maneuver your hands so that twisting to the left doesn't suck as much. So pretty much something that I kept in mind when I was doing the back of my head was my right hand needs to be over my left hand. If any point my right hand's at the bottom, I'm twisting the wrong way. So I hope that kind of makes sense, but maybe you'll pay attention to my hands a little more in the video to understand exactly what I mean. Better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but love. All right now I'm just touching up my hair and I'm putting some foam in it. I used a lot of body mousse and foam. This hairstyle shouldn't have took me 2 days, but my soul told me to do it at 11 p.m. start, so I did that. But I finished the next day, so right now I'm cutting the little scraggly pieces off. You could put leave-in conditioner on your hair and coil it a little bit. I know that helps as well, but some of them are just looking a little rough, so you just cut them off. Then that little tip that I told you guys that I applied late, well, yeah, now I gotta retwist a few just to make sure my hair looks even and uniformed and juicy, because the other way I think it doesn't look as full in my opinion. Then I put some oil on my scalp because I'm trying to get consistent at that. I'm also focusing the mousse on the ends of my hair. I told you guys you can use leave-in conditioner too. And this is the final product. I hope you guys love the video. I hope the tutorial made sense. I wanted it to be cute and straight to the point. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any hairstyles you want to try over your locks, don't forget to comment those because I'm down to do them. Thank you guys for watching. And one thing about me, I'm gonna put a claw clip in my hair when it's done. All right, y'all. Bye. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot.